Hello guys, welcome back to yet another Q&A episode. Yesterday after creating a community post, we got quite good response. Today we have almost 44 questions to answer. I'll try to answer every question in this video. But before moving ahead, if you guys are new to this channel, we do Q&A sessions on regular basis. So if you like our work and find it useful, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Now let's not waste much of time and we'll directly take the questions. Priyanshu, I don't recommend custom ROMs for OnePlus smartphones after OnePlus 9 series because they don't have the MSM tool. Once I did install custom ROM on OnePlus 11 and downgrading was a bit of headache. That's the reason I stopped doing custom ROM videos now. And many developers have also stopped the development of custom ROMs. And next question is related to OnePlus Nord 3 update. So I'll be soon doing a review video of the latest build. And whether you should update or not, see, I don't find any kind of issues. Some units are affected like motherboard issues and other stuff. But for that also OnePlus have given a statement that issue happened because of the third-party repair. But still, if you are afraid, I won't recommend you to update your device. Imran, yes, we'll be seeing discount on OnePlus Pad 2 also with the upcoming sales. Nayan bhai, thank you so much for these kind words. If you really wish to work with me, so you can do one thing, drop me a message on Twitter or Telegram. We'll get in touch with you soon. Viper OP, it's normal. The battery health will drop gradually of any smartphones. Nowadays, the charging speeds are going too high and due to which battery health is draining little faster compared to previous generation. So don't worry about that 1% drop in battery health. And secondly, you have issues with the BGMI not staying in the background. For this, what you can do, go to the battery settings, from there select BGMI and make sure you change the optimization settings to do not optimize. Also from the recent task manager, you can lock BGMI so that it doesn't get reloaded or even accident close won't happen. You can just go to the launcher settings and make changes. Kuldeep, generally SOTA updates are not reflected on the main page of update section. For that, what you can do, if you want to check out the SOTA update which you have installed, just go to the about section, tap on version, and towards the bottom side you can see we have a SOTA version. Arju, I'm really sorry, I wasn't able to understand your question. What you're saying, can you take OnePlus 12 camera and take a photo together? Please elaborate more in the comment section, I'll reply there. And we're not sure about the battery backup on OnePlus 12 latest build. I personally feel it's slightly downgraded. We have also done the in-depth review of OnePlus 12. Make sure to check it out. Ganesh, OnePlus 12 review mostly I'll be dropping tomorrow or day after. I've started using the device, so give me a day or two. MJ, not CE4 animation engine, I doubt they'll be implementing because the animations of OxygenOS 14 is quite on heavier side. So I doubt they'll be implementing on Nord CE and Nord CE Lite series. Introvert, I'm doing really good. Thank you so much for asking. You are asking related to Pixel 7 Pro, which is available at 43K. And yes, it can get cheaper with the upcoming sale. So if the camera is main priority, go with Pixel. For the battery backup, I have not used Pixel 7 Pro, so I can't say much about it. But in terms of camera, I've seen camera reviews. The camera is super great on Pixel 7 Pro. Madhuri, yes, there are possibilities OnePlus Nord 3 will be getting new animation engine and mostly that will be coming with OxygenOS 14.1. So what I'm expecting is 14.1 will be coming next month for OnePlus Nord 3. There we have the possibilities of new animation engine. The Fact India, I would say if you want to downgrade your OnePlus Nord 3, use the rollback packages if they are available. Other than that, we don't have any option to downgrade. Manually options are there, but I don't recommend you doing that because that might affect your device if something goes wrong. Akshat, they are replacing the older devices also. As far as I remember, one user got replaced for OnePlus 60 also. Even he got the green line. Starting from 7 series, I'm confirmed that they are doing replacement of screens. And one case I've heard of OnePlus 60. Yes, your phone will be rejected if you have minor scratches also. For that, what you can do is you can record a prior video in which you highlight all these scratches. So if in future the green line appears, you can show that video. The scratches were already there before this green line appeared. Third question, comparing display of Nord 3 and Nord 4. I need to check the specifications first. I don't remember exactly. And fourth, when can we expect 14.1 or 15 for Nord 3? See, 15 will take time, but 14.1 next month mostly. The notorious, if the device is heating more, just cross-check in the battery section which all apps are being used in the background, and for once, try to restart the device. I'm not telling to reset. Try to restart. If it is still not getting fixed, I would say if it is heating more, do take it to the service center because Nord series doesn't have a good reputation when it comes to heating. Sirjan, I don't recommend upgrading to iPhone 15. See, iPhone 15 series, no, other than Pro and Pro Max won't be getting the AI features also. But if you are currently using OnePlus 12R, mostly 99% chances are there you'll get to see AI features, and I personally have iPhone 15 Plus also. I'm not that satisfied. So I currently don't recommend to upgrade to 15 because 12R is also a new phone. मुकेश भाई, I'm really sorry, मैं क्रॉस चेक करता हूँ, एक और मैसेज डाल देना मेरे को. एक्सीडेंटली मैसेज रीड हो गया होगा, बट मेरे को अगर जो आपका सेम नेम है तो मुझे याद रहेगा. रही बात AOD का, तो फुल स्क्रीन AOD यस देखने को मिलेगा हमें OxygenOS 15 पर. उसके साथ काफी दम है भाई OxygenOS 15 में. सो थोड़ा वेट करो, जल्दी हमें OxygenOS 15 देखने को मिलेगा. मोस्टली ऐसा भी हो सकता है इस मंथ के एंड में ही आ जाए. मुगल भाई मैं अच्छा हूँ. रही बात सैमसंग जैसे AI फीचर्स, तो देखो मुश्किल है क्योंकि सैमसंग एंड गूगल का टाई अप रहता है, तो मोस्टली ना सैमसंग वो सारे AI फीचर्स इंप्लीमेंट कर सकता है जो गूगल कर रहा है. एंड रही बात कस्टमाइजेशंस की, कस्टमाइजेशंस तो भर के आ रहे हैं OxygenOS 15 पे. थोड़ा वेट कर लो, आप लोगों को पता चल जाएगा कितने अच्छे कस्टमाइजेशंस OnePlus ने ऐड किए हैं. एंड रही बात परफॉर्मेंस की, परफॉर्मेंस भी काफी इंक्रीज होगा OnePlus 12 सीरीज का OxygenOS 15 के साथ. Mohammed, I've already released a OnePlus 12 detailed review. You can check out that video on the screen, and I'll also put up the link in description below. And Kuldeep, yes, there was an issue with OnePlus Nord 3 update. Initially, even I received that update on my device. Later on, it was pulled back. But now they have again started rolling out. It's a staged rollout. So if you haven't received yet, just wait for a few days. It will be available, or else you can use OxygenOS Updater application. A6 Gaming, I've already done a video on Nothing OS 3.0. I've already installed it on my Nothing Phone 2A. So if you want to know all the new features, there are more features which will be coming on Nothing OS 3.0, because the version which I have installed, that's a closed beta testing. Many more new features will be added, and I would say there are not much of changes yet to be noticed on Nothing OS 3.0, but I'll wait for another few days. Tech with Krishna, you can go with iPhone 15 instead of iPhone 14. That would be a better choice. If you get a good deal with iPhone 15, grab that device. Soul Healer here, under 45k, I would recommend iQOO Neo 9 Pro, particularly for gaming. And camera also, I think it's not that bad on iQOO Neo 9 Pro. OnePlus 12R also has a good camera, but the performance is a major concern for me on OnePlus smartphones. I've used iQOO Neo 9 Pro that delivers good performance, and if you only want camera, then go with Pixel 7. Improviser, I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking. About CBT, currently third CBT is running on OnePlus 12 based on OxygenOS 15. And talking about open beta, with the current pace, mostly 99% at the end of this month we'll get to see OxygenOS open beta build. And my experience, I'm not in the CBT group, but there are few users who keeps us updated about all these things. OnePlus 11 in-depth review have already been released. And what's your current opinion on current OnePlus as a brand? See, I don't have any kind of issues with OnePlus. The green line issues, they have taken care pretty well. None of the brands have done that. On such a large scale, they have replaced the screens. And motherboard issues, I'll just wait for few more days or few more months, because OnePlus has clearly denied that it's not an issue with the quality check or something else. The third party repair have caused this issue. So it's just a matter of time. Wait for few days and I'll keep my opinion preserved until OxygenOS 15 gets released. Aman, about the MacBook Air M2 and Windows, you're seeing your usage pattern, I would say, go with any Windows laptop, because you can find more options in different price segments and flexibility in hardware configuration also. And if you actually want the ecosystem and other stuff, like battery backup also is good on MacBooks. So if you're looking for good ecosystem support and good battery life along with the build quality, then go with MacBook. 9695 मैं हैनूर के पास रहता हूँ brother. Jaydeep, exactly we are not sure about the reason of green line issues on smartphones and smartwatches. What I personally feel related to green line, and that's the weather condition. See, I'm not sure about that, due to heating only green lines are occurring, but that's my personal thought that might be a cause. So don't expect so soon. I don't think so they'll be releasing Nothing OS 3.0 before December or November. That too open beta builds. And about the animation, no, there are no changes in the animation done on Nothing OS 3.0. अजय भाई देखो, मैंने पर्सनली डिवाइस यूज नहीं किया है जो कि है Pixel 9. अगर जो आप एक बेटर रिव्यूअर का कंपैरिजन वगैरह देख लोगे तो आपको आइडिया हो जाएगा. देखो, विद नो डाउट कैमरा एंड सॉफ्टवेयर एक्सपीरियंस आपको दोनों अच्छा मिलेगा. बैटरी लाइफ की मैं श्योरिटी नहीं देता, बिकॉज अगर जो मैं यूज करता हूं तो मेरा यूसेज पैटर्न अलग है, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली मैं आपको बता भी पाता. तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कोई एक अच्छी वीडियो देखो आप YouTube पर. Ep-40, it's not yet confirmed that the update caused the motherboard dead issues, because OnePlus have given a statement that none of the updates have caused this issue. So we are not exactly sure, and even I've been updating all my device to the latest build. I don't even wait for the OTA updates. I do manual side loads and update my device. So we cannot say it's a software related issue. And about battery health, 95% is decent enough. On my device, it's 94%. Still, I'm getting good battery backup. When the battery percentage goes below 85 or 80%, then it's time to replace the battery. Then Shiv Shukla, thank you so much for asking. I'm really doing good. Your first question is related to download of updates, so no issues. You can also do local install. There are no problems, but make sure you're using the official file. Second question is related to low GPU usage in BGMI on OnePlus 12. See, here I would say it's not a problem with OnePlus smartphones or the processor what are being installed on smartphones. Almost every smartphone have low usage of GPU. And the main reason for that is BGMI Unreal Engine heavily relies on CPU threads rather than optimizing for GPU usage. That's the reason iPhones, do have better gaming performance due to better load balancing with dual prime cores. Unlike with most Android devices with fewer prime cores. Anil, open beta builds will be released by end of this month, what I am expecting. And talking about the stable, they'll take another 1.5 to 2 months more. But it completely depends on the priorities. What's the main reason to buy their smartphone? Like OnePlus 12R is a good phone, but we also have a better option which is iQOO Neo 9 Pro. Satyam, as I said before, the OxygenOS UI and the Realme UI, it's quite heavy for budget segment phones. सिद्धार्थ भाई, OnePlus 12 का बैटरी बैकअप पिछले 2 अपडेट से ही खराब चल रहा है. एंड देखो, आप डाउनग्रेड तो नहीं कर सकते किसी भी पुराने बिल्ड पे अभी, बट थोड़ा और वेट कर लीजिए. OxygenOS 15 का ओपन बीटा बिल्ड्स आने वाला है, उसके बाद देखते हैं बैटरी बैकअप इंप्रूव होता है या नहीं. Pranesh, I am really sorry, if I have missed out your question regarding 5G plus network and VoNR support. See, I also got in touch with one of my friend who is working with OnePlus. Still, he is not informed me why actually they are not giving the support of these things. So even I don't have the answer. I know the devices or the hardware is capable of all these things, but exactly not sure why they are not implementing. Secondly, beta builds for OnePlus 12R might take time because even closed beta testing is not yet started for OnePlus 12R. OnePlus 12 will be getting, and yes, mostly September builds will be OxygenOS 14.1 official ones. You might get some AI features which are present on OnePlus Nord 4. We have already done a video. Make sure to check it out. And the last question is from Vikram. Vikram, I have already started testing the OnePlus 12R. So mostly within a day or two, I'll drop the in-depth review. So guys, these are all the questions what you guys asked us on the community post. I have answered each and every question today. Like at the time of starting the shoot, which was around 3:30. Before that, whatever questions were there, I have answered. So if you guys have any questions, wait for our community post for next Q&A and you guys can comment there. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.